super early in the morning, I woke up to cook you some eggs. It's come to my attention that some of you have the egg ick. And the egg ick is that you're cooking and eating eggs in a variety of ways and you're perfectly fine, and then all of a sudden, the ick comes along. You get the egg ick. And that is that an egg suddenly tastes just too much like an egg, and you get the ick. Even my dog has it. Have you ever been struck by a case of the egg ick? Comment below. So there are a lot of ways to cook eggs, right? And I know in a lot of them, right? They're a tremendously good source of protein, but the only problem is sometimes you get a case of the ick. Is diabolical. Fried eggs. I cracked an egg into each ramekin, but you don't have to be that fancy. A little bit of butter. I got a pan that's hot. It's not crazy. You can fry eggs in non-stick spray, or you can fry them in olive oil. This is the way my mom did it, so this is the way I do it. Just a layer of butter in the bottom of the pan. Now, you see the butter's melted. We're frying. I want it just a hair hotter, right? And now I'm gonna drop the eggs in. One over here, and two. See how I just pour them in? Sometimes I find it easier to put the eggs in a ramekin and then control pouring them out. It's kind of like when you make pancakes in a pan. Now, if we're going sunny side up, I'm putting salt. Gotta season them, especially the yolk. That's part of removing the egg ick, is that seasoning of the salt and pepper, balancing out the ick. Now, some people like their eggs a little bit browned around the edges, right? So you can cook at a little bit of a higher heat. Big part of the egg ick is when the white is cooked and the yolk isn't. I got a solution. Take it off the heat for a second. See how the white is all beautifully browned and cooked, but the yolk is still a little creepy? Shut the heat off. Still sunny side up. Cover them for a second. Maybe 15 seconds, 20 seconds. We're just looking to trap the steam and the eggs in the pan, and that cooks the yolk a little bit more. See that? But the heat is off, nice and easy. See how that's beautiful? And then come over here, take a little bit of that butter and just baste right on that. Now this is a beautiful sunny side up egg. These are great for anything. Great with bacon, great for toast on a little sandwich. You can make a BLT and put a fried egg on it, grilled cheese. That's sunny side up. And then you have the slightly more cooked cousin, which is just over easy. And that means I just put it in the pan for a second, cook that yolk a hair more, and that goes right next to it. Sunny side up, over easy. And there's, look at that yolk. All right, scrambled eggs. Hot pan, couple eggs. Now, country scramble just means the eggs aren't fully mixed together. So you get that kind of egg white, egg yolk vibe. And fully mixed is scrambled. They use all sorts of fancy terms. Okay, to lighten my eggs and make them fluffy, drop of water. A lot of people put cream, they put butter, they put milk, their grandmother put buttermilk, whatever. I put water. Pinch of salt, pepper. Season your eggs. People say, oh, it's not good to season before. Salt, pepper, touch of water, just like my mom made when I was growing up. Hot pan, but not too hot, right? Little pat of butter. Now look, this pan's hot, but it's not crazy. You just want to coat the bottom. You can scramble your eggs with a little non-stick spray. I just like the taste of a little bit of butter. And I use a rubber spatula to be nice and gentle. Now we just melt the butter. This is a heat-proof rubber spatula. You see I got a stainless pan. Salt, pepper, little water, right in there. Now I just wait a second. I know scramble, you think, well, we're scrambling, but we're not. Spread it out in the pan, right? Another pinch of salt. And now I just pull it. See that? Pull it again. Now, you can like the big curd, so to speak, or the smaller curd. And look at this. How long has it been? 1 minute and we're done. Look at that. Smells like butter, smells like eggs. You don't want to cook them. Look, I took it off the heat. Look at that. Now check it out. We got a little bit of the white and a little bit of the yolk. That's technically a country scramble, right? When you can see the difference. This smells so good. Now a lot of people get the egg ick because they overcook their eggs. They're baked, they're brown, they're dried out. Look at this. 1 minute, we're out of the pan. Look at this. I can smell, I can smell the butter. Now I can taste the butter mixing with the eggs. Seasoned with salt and pepper before and after cooking, so they're really well seasoned. That's another way to avoid the ick. I think scrambled is the easiest. You mix, you saw that, hot pan, butter. If you only have a few minutes in the morning and you still want to get a good breakfast in, scramble a couple eggs right here. So good.